I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 1 Davey Avenue in Frenchville. This large family home delivers 5 bedrooms, 2 full-size bathrooms, a guest toilet, a 3-car garage, and side access from the double street frontage. Come and have a look at all this house has to offer. This family home has 2 formal entertainment rooms, a beautiful large family kitchen flowing through to the big TV room, dining room, time to spend with your family room, and onto the outside deck, being walking distance to Frenchville State School and in the sought-after pocket of Frenchville, makes this home ideal for a family. If you want to take advantage of this ample home in its prime location, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents.